What's up, my friends? Welcome back to the Hoop Clinic. This is the Rambo Whoop Recipe overview video. And I'm gonna show you the basic steps to copy this little build here. And if you have questions at any point in the video, click the little doohickey key up here and you'll get to the detailed video of that step. Step number 1, prepare your flight controller. Flash it with a good firmware and get some basic configuration on there to fly it upside down with the plugs facing up and the USB plug in the back. Connect it to your transmitter and make sure that all the inputs and all the orientations are correct before you proceed to step 2. And yeah, of course, if you have any questions about flashing and programming this thing, click the doohickey key up here. Step number 2, frame preparation. Snip the back of the frame of the battery tray and epoxy the video transmitter onto the frame. That's pretty easy, right? Anyway, if you need any pointers, click the doohickey key. Next step, a little bit of soldering. Solder a beefier power plug to one side of the board and the connection to the video transmitter, the power connection, to the other side. It's pretty difficult to see on that camera, so if you want to see details, guess what? Click the doohickey key. Next step, some gluing. I like to hot glue the camera to the mount, not with regular hot glue, that's too messy, but with keratin hot glue. If you want to have any details about my keratin fetish, click the doohickey key. And yeah, once that's glued to the mount, I'll take some more keratin and glue the mount to the flight controller. Yeah, it's a bit difficult to see on this camera, but as I said, you can always click the doohickey key. And once it's all glued together, you plug in your video camera to the transmitter and power it all up to check if it all works and to program your video channel. The way this transmitter is mounted, you'll not be able to get to it once you have mounted the flight controller, which is not too bad. I mean, you can just remove 3 screws and then you get to it, or wedge in a little tool from the side and push the button anyway. But yeah, just set it before you put it all together and it'll be a little easier. And then, final step, of course, put the motors in, props on after you chopped 2 blades off, and yeah, connect it all up and have a blast. And if you still have questions, click the doohickey key. See you later.